This tutorial is about how to enable FraudLabs Pro feature in PrestaShop. Firstly, go to PrestaShop Admin Dashboard. Secondly, go to Modules, Module Manager, go to Other section, and you will see FraudLabs Pro Fraud Prevention. Click on Configure. Enter your API key here. You can register a free license key at this link if you do not have one. Next, you may change the approved status, review status, or reject status here. Once done, save it. Now, let's go to your online store to perform an order transaction. Firstly, click on this product and add it to cart. Then, click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Proceed to Checkout again. Fill in all the information needed, like your shipping address and also your billing address. Click on Continue. Next, select your shipping method and also your payment method. Lastly, click on Place Order. After that, go back to your PrestaShop admin dashboard. Go to Orders, Orders. Next, click on this order to view the details of the transaction performed just now. This is the FraudLabs Pro result, and these are the details. This is the fraud score, and this is the fraud status. You may click this link to view the complete fraud result. Enter your username and password to log into the merchant area. This is your transaction details. You are done.